Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Julia if you've never been here before, but if you have, hi girls, welcome back. I'm so glad to have you back. You guys, today I am coming to you from Oklahoma City. I have just landed in Oklahoma City, and before I unpacked fully, I wanted to, one, take advantage of the outside because it's so beautiful out here, and two, I wanted to show you guys what I have in my travel carry-on bag before I unpacked her fully. So this is my carry-on bag. She's blue. I actually got her at the flea market, so I don't have a link for you guys, but I can try to link something that is similar to her. But this is her right here, pretty spacious. This actually like locks in like this, and I love it. It was super comfortable to travel with, and I did fit quite a bit of stuff. So let's go ahead and get started with what I have in here. So I just took it out, but the first thing I had was my water bottle right here. It's full of stickers. We love her. I take this one and then I just fill it up at the airport because you cannot take liquids through the TSA, at least not big liquids like this. So I took that. Let's open her up. So she has like 3 bags at different little small compartments, but I'm going to start with the biggest one, which is this one right here. I don't know if I even said it correctly, but this is my personal item. I don't like to do a check-in just because I am so scared of them losing my luggage. It has happened to me before, so I am traumatized, girl. Also, I don't know if you can hear, but there is a guy like leaf blowing behind me, and it is pretty loud, but we do have a new mic. One, hopefully you can't hear it at all, but two, if you do hear it, hopefully it's not as distracting because I do have the mic, which I am so excited about. So first off, if you are traveling with a carry-on or personal item, fluids, you do need to have your fluids all in a little clear plastic baggie like this, about quart size, and all the fluids have to be 3 ounces and below. Just so you know, I don't want TSA to stop you, because if you're anything like me, TSA gives me so much anxiety that I will follow all the rules, girl, because I am so scared. So anyways, let's go ahead and start with our fluids. I don't have just fluids in here, but it's mainly all my fluids. I do have some unnecessary ones, but whatever, we'll get into that as we get into it. First thing is I have my shampoo and conditioner. This is the herbal essence one. This one smells so good. I don't use it daily, but when I do travel, I like to get this one because it just smells super delicious. It smells so nostalgic for me, so I have these two. This is my face wash. It is the Kale and Spinach by Youth to the People. I absolutely love her too. I just feel like my face gets so clean with this one. Next up, I have my toothbrush. It is not liquids, but I just stuck it in there because it just kind of fit with the toiletry theme. I have a tongue paste. This has made such a difference in my oral hygiene routine. I just feel like the toothbrush and toothpaste it doesn't do enough for me. So this, I just feel like gets all of that gunk out. I get it on Amazon. It is the best ever. I cannot travel without her. This is 3 ounces. So this is like the limit, girl, 3 ounces. Next up, I know she looks humongous, but this is actually 3 ounces. Always go ahead and double check at the bottom. Most perfumes and fragrances should tell you the ounces, but just double check because you do not want to get in any kind of trouble. So this is my perfume. She smells extremely delicious. This is the Gucci Guilty one. Love her. Oh, I just saw the reflection through here, but I did have my tripod also in my bag. It's just not in there right now because you guys are propped onto it. I have my Youth to the People cream moisturizer. I have the Summer Fridays, I believe it's a jet lag mask. Yes, a jet lag mask. I'm just gonna start using this at night while I'm traveling, so my face doesn't get dry. I have the Osea body lotion and the body oil. These, I am trying them out. They're more of a non-toxic one. This is my first non-toxic lotion and non-toxic oil, so I'll let you guys know how they work. I've already tried it a few times, and I feel like it's great. It's decent enough, so brought them along with me. The only downfall with these is that they're glass, so they're heavy. That's the only downfall. Then I have my Olaplex bonding oil. I absolutely love this, and it works as a heat protectant as well. I have my e.l.f. sunscreen. This is 30 SPF sunscreen, and this one is actually a clear one. It's clear and it's like silicone based. It's gonna go ahead and like just blur all of your pores. This is my first time trying it, so I don't know exactly how I feel about it, but she was recommended and she's clear, so I'm gonna hope that she works out for me. I also have my toothpaste. This, I don't even think you should have this. I mean, I don't even think you need to have it in here. It's just, again, I am so anxious and nervous, especially with TSA, so I like to take all the precautions that I can. So this is actually my concealer, and I just stuck it in with the fluids because I was like, I'm not going to take the risk. I am not going to take the risk of them telling me anything. So this is my Fenty Beauty. It's actually a concealer, but I use it as a bronzer. It's just the darkest shade. I've just found that concealers tend to blend better for my liking. And then I have the Olay body wash. Again, this one smells extremely delicious. I absolutely love this one. I have my Listerine mouthwash. I have my foundation. Again, I could have put it in my makeup bag, but I'm just so scared of TSA. So I have my foundation here. This is my NYX brow gel. This is like quick and easy on the go when I don't want to use a pomade. I just put it up and go. I also, again unnecessary, but I have my liquid lipstick here. This is the Super Stay in the shade Seductress. Absolutely love her. It's actually what I'm wearing right now. It looks darker in the camera, but it's actually like a nude, like a pinky nude kind of color. I have my Summer Fridays lip gloss, which I got in my birthday thing, along with a jet lag mask. This is the best thing I have ever put on my lips. It is so soft and silky and smoothing, and my lips just feel amazing with this one. And then I have the First Aid Beauty. This is a primer, so I brought this little mini size one. I got it on like a Ipsy bag. Also, I love to bring these little kind of like samples that they give you at Ulta and Sephora just to try them out, and then I see if I like them or not. And they're easy to travel with. I could just pop them in. This is just Youth to the People, Tatcha. I believe this is like a Laneige toner. Dr. Dennis Gross. Next, I do have some eye drops because my eyes tend to get really dry, especially when I'm flying and when I'm in like a new environment. So I brought this one with me. This is the one that I use. I think it works great. Let me know how you guys feel about these kind of videos, but I always like seeing like what they have in their travel bag, carry on, everything, because I always like seeing people's ideas of what to pack. And also like when I see them, I'm like, what am I forgetting? Like, because I'm like, oh my gosh, I forgot that. I almost forgot that. So I always love to see this kind of videos. Next up, in the same big pouch, I have my this is my jewelry box. I got it from Coach at a Coach outlet in Vegas actually, and I absolutely love her so much. Again, like I would hate to lose this. I would hate. It would break my heart to lose my jewelry. So I always have it with me in my personal item or my carry-on bag. This is just your average jewelry box. I have some of I brought a lot of my turquoise items just because it is Oklahoma. This is a southern state, baby. We want to use all of our turquoise stuff. So I have that here floating around. I have my deodorant. I always have my deodorant on hand because I am so scared of smelling, you guys. Like that is my fear is to stink, and I just can't. So I always have my deodorant with me all of the time. Next up, I do have my Beats. I just use them mainly because they're like more noise canceling than my AirPods. So I have these. I like to take them with me on the airplane specifically because I just like to zone out, and especially because I'm going to be in the airport a lot, especially when I leave. I'm going to be there for a few hours because of my layover. So I'm just going to try to zone out and edit and do some work. This is another little pouch that I have. I like to have everything kind of like in little pouches sectioned. I don't like to have in like a dumb pouch with everything in there just scrambled. Oh, that gives me so much anxiety. I actually got this from Timo, funny enough, but she has been with me and she has helped me and she works. I love her. So this pouch is actually the same as this other one. It's just I don't know why it has two zippers for the same pouch, whatever. Here in the small one, I have my Armra colostrum. I just like to bring this, especially when I travel, because if you guys are new here, I used to have stomach ulcers and I just had so much trouble with my stomach barrier and my stomach lining. So I always like to take one of these, especially when I travel, just to prep my stomach and just as a preventative. And this is super, super good and soothing for your gut lining. I always like to have these on hand. I also have some Element packets. These are just electrolytes. I like to throw them in my water sometimes, again, especially when I'm traveling, because I always feel like I get super dehydrated. Closing this up and opening it up again because it's the same thing, honestly. This one, I have some, these are Nero mints. They're just like little mints with L-theanine, so it's supposed to help your brain, but it's just mints, girl. It's just mints. Why would that be complicated? I have my makeup wipes in case like I did want to film in the airport, so I did have makeup on, but if I ever felt icky or anything like that, I just wanted to have them on hand so I could just take it off if I needed to. Oh, these should have been in the liquids bag, but these are just some little Tide laundry detergent, the to-go. These are just some little Tide laundry detergent packets. We are going to be staying here a bit of a long term, living in the hotel, so stay tuned for that video. I am working on it. So we're going to be doing some laundry here at the hotel, so I brought these ones. I have my little hairbrush. This is a mini unbrush, and it's in a Christmas version. I absolutely love it. Unbrush is like one of my favorite hairbrushes that I found that just detangles so easily and doesn't break your hair. And then these are just my business cards. And then in the second one right here, I just have some like booty wipes, and I have some wet ones in case I go to the bathroom to just clean out the seat. I also have some pads because it is the time of the month this time, so I have those. On to the next. And then in here, you can't really see, but in here I had my tripod, which you guys are currently standing on. I had my light, which you guys are also you guys also have up there. So let me just tie this guy up. And here I have another pouch, and I just have my planner. I think it helps me remember stuff. I know I have my notes app, but just planners are just so much fun for me. So I have my planner here. Okay, and then I'm just gonna jump really quick to the back pocket over here. And this one, I just have my laptop again. I like to work while I'm at the airport just to take advantage of the time that I have there. So I have my laptop right here. I also have my charger down there. I'm just not gonna take it out, but my charger is there as well. And then up here I have a claw clip in case like my hair just gets in my way and I just want to put it up for whatever reason. I also have some hand sanitizer. This is the iced dragon tea. It smells super delicious from Bath and Body Works. This is the hole for your water bottle, but mine is just too big, so it doesn't fit there. Here I just have like a little Beekeeper's natural throat spray. This is like an immunity spray, and I always like to bring this with us whenever we travel because I don't know, I feel like your immune system just kind of goes down whenever you're not in your environment. So I like to bring this too. I don't know why it's in here, but it's in there. I must have used it and I just put it on the side. So we're almost done. Here's like a little small pouch, one of two. In here is just my mics. It came with this one, and it's actually a nice little portable it's a rechargeable case. So I have my two mics, and then I have like little fuzzy things, and it's awesome. It looks like kind of like a little airport case. I absolutely love these so far, and ideally you shouldn't be hearing any of this windiness that's going on around me or the guy with the leaf blower. So hopefully that works. But so far I feel like I really love them. I also have my AirPods. I like to bring my AirPods, especially when I'm inside the hotel. I don't always like to use my noise canceling ones. That's mainly like for the airport. To have my AirPods here with me as well. I have my little Coach wallet. I love bringing this one with me when I travel because I could just stick it in my jeans, and I just like to put it in my pocket, and sometimes I like strap it to like where the belt goes. That way, like I know that even if this falls off, like I'm not gonna lose my wallet, especially when I'm traveling because I need my ID. This is my way home, so I do not want to lose this, especially when I'm traveling. I have some pens that I selected. I only brought 4 from my planner, so I brought those. I also have a little rosary that I got from the Vatican. I always like to travel with a rosary because I don't know, I just feel like I'm protected, and I get super scared. And also, this was my first time flying by myself. So I've flown before, but this is my first time flying by myself and just having to navigate the craziness of the airport by myself. So I definitely wanted to, of course, continue my tradition and bringing my rosary with me. This is her. She's so pretty. It's like red and white. I got this at the Vatican when I went to Rome, so it's super special to me. And then last but not least, in this pouch, I have my sunglasses here. I absolutely love these sunglasses. They're not key. I just put my key sunglasses, I left them. It's just that's the only hard case that I have, so I wanted to bring it with me. But these are my Cinnies. I absolutely love them. I think I got these at like Marshall's or something. Like, I don't even, oh, they're Steve Madden. Yeah, I got these at Marshall's. So absolutely love those. And then, like I said, I like to do a lot of like work while I'm in the airport and while I'm in the hotel. So I brought my blue light sunglasses. These are them. I love them too. They're like a nice cheetah print. I got these on Amazon. And then in here, why am I not following my own rules? And this should have been in my fluids bag, but I didn't put it there. So this is my EOS shea butter. It smells like vanilla. This is just like a hand lotion. Again, I just get really dry. It's like a little birdie. It's making like little noises, but it smells so good. So that is it. That is it for my can you hear the bird? So that is it for what's in my personal item bag that I travel with / carry-on bag. Like, I think this could count for both. It is smaller, so it does fit in the personal item bag. I did bring a carry-on as well. And then when I was going through like the airline, again, I'm so paranoid, I like closed these guys up and I cinched them. I was like, there's gonna be no doubt that this is gonna fit. Like, I wanted nobody to stop me. Like, please don't stop me. Like, just let me just have a smooth ride. Okay, and that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you take in your personal item or your carry-on item. I want to know, what did I miss? What should I bring next time? Let me know. That is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next. Don't forget to watch all of the Oklahoma series here on my channel. I hope you really enjoyed them as much as I have been so far. I just love Oklahoma City so much. So thank you guys so much for watching. I can't wait to see you guys. Bye. And that, oh my god, I'm kind of scared of that bird, girl. Like, I don't know if you guys probably won't be able to hear it, but this guy's like puffing up. Like, I'm a little scared because we saw one of these at Walmart and this dude was like attacking his reflection. I'm like, oh, he looks kind of scary. Don't come over here. Ah! We used to have each other's playlists. No. Used to be each other's best friends. Yeah. And now we go our separate pathways. But your heart's still in mine.
trying next